Okay, so I bought this one on eBay, but I have some questions for Jason because I never ran into this type. But this is not kind of the original because if you look here, this is what the guy put down as what's in the Pinkett. I'll hold that still so maybe you can screenshot and look at it. But anyways, normally, yeah, of course, there's pins and all that stuff. But what I want to ask Jason, these two parts right here, I don't understand. Um, According to the label here, it's let me see, where is it? Right here. It says knob something 1, 2, 3. Right there. Knob, control lug, and dead bolt control lug. I don't know. I never even ran into one of these, so Jason being older than I am, just kidding, Jason. I want to know what the hell is that. These says Pinkett came with a couple of these. Oh, and came with some decoders. And also one of those tools that Jason has. I think it's like a white riser type tool. I'll show it to you later, but I was gonna buy one separate, but one of these kits came with it. So, but these seems to be original pins. So, color coded springs, and also some caps here. It says spring cover cap for 6-pin and then 5-pin. You can see a difference right there. And I think Jason was talking about these earlier. There's knob and deadbolt retainer clips. The deadbolts you can tell because they have the right there, that little thing in the middle, and the other ones don't. Oh, this is another thing, spring. What the hell is that for? That I do not know. I never ran into that. Of course, the spring again. Here it says spring, part number 87632. Hopefully that's a Kwikset part number. There's tumbler springs part number, according to the chart, 81777. Right here it says, actually it says master pin 138, part number 32125. I'm just going by what this guy wrote down here. That was that one. So on the top you got master pins 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, I guess, right there, number 6. And that's right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. This, I guess, is just a mixture. Alright. Yeah, no, tomorrow's Sunday. Tomorrow is Sunday. Alright, see you tomorrow. And then right here is, of course, the extra tools. So, alright, so I'm finished with that now, so. Please explain to me what is that, Jason. I don't understand what these are and what that is, so. Okay. SC Lock and Key. Go watch his channel. And thumbs down for the thumbs down guy. Bye bye.